Hi everyone, it's Lyndacreates from Lyndacreates, and I just wanted to share this fun Earth Day project where I'm using recycled magazine images and packing tape and dies. I wanted to tie in my dies with this, so I'm using my love bug dies and cutting out some butterflies. I thought, why not use all those other images that are just gorgeous in magazines and die cut those? So that's what I'm doing. And again, because it's for Earth Day, wanted to recycle my magazines. So check it out. What we're going to need for this Earth Day project is a die cutting machine. We're going to use some old magazines, which is recycling them, and some packing tape. And I suggest the thinner packing tape, so the less expensive ones works really well for this. A bowl to hold some warm water, and you probably know where I'm going with this. And we're going to die cut using the packing tape and magazine page. So I'm using from my Love Bugs die set from iCrafter the butterfly, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. So when you're trying to select the image that you want to use, you have to think about scale. So this butterfly's rather small, so you don't want to go into something really big because you won't see the pattern happening. So I found a smaller inset image of the same photo, and this is a perfect scale to use for this because everything is smaller and it looks so cute. So I suggest, if you could find some old Better Homes and Gardens sitting around, those are really good because the flowers look so pretty. So I'm using this actually Home Depot brand of packing tape. I had bought it actually for trying to pack, and it is so thin that it was frustrating, but it's perfect for what I'm going to do here. So you want to burnish it down so that the tape holds really well to the inked part. So now you have the shiny part of it, and you just have whatever's on the back. Okay, we're going to die cut it now. So now I have warm water, and I'm just going to let that soak. Now you've probably seen this project done with magazine pictures of butterflies and birds or whatever they cut out of the magazine, but I thought that there's so many more pretty images that aren't butterflies or aren't a clean area to cut out. So I thought, why not die cut the shape you want? So in this case, I decided to do a whole bunch of little butterflies out of flowers for springtime. So I'm letting this soak a little bit more. I would say, maybe 5 minutes to soak, and then I'll come back to it. Okay, so I'm going to test it now. I'm using just a cloth to protect the surface, and you just turn it over and you start rubbing. And you could scrape it with your nails. It's taking a little, may need a little more soaking. Oh, there's some of it's coming off. And in this case, the page on the back was dark, so it's very obvious when it starts coming off. Oh, look at that. It's just the main thing you don't want to do is scrub so hard that the ink color comes off. Look, This one's beautifully coming off, just like that. Nice. So, let's see, I could hold it up. It actually looks better on a white background. So you could see how it's starting to look. Let me just add it to my notebook. So this is like a little mini journal that or notebook that my sister made for me. And the idea was to do something every day for a short amount of time, but I really haven't had a lot of time to do that. So the book is pretty much empty, but I thought this would be something really nice to add to it. In some cases, if you get all the paper off, the tape will be sticky again. I could do it here. Since it's slightly sticky, I'll just place it down on the page. I have a few more that I did earlier, so let me add that. And these are all, look at the beautiful stickers you could make. And this would have all been trash if I hadn't saved it for this. See what I end up with. Ooh, I like that better. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of adhesive. So again, I'm sure people have seen stickers that you could make using magazine images, that you find a butterfly and you cut it out. But I just thought, why not make your own butterflies from the other pretty photos that you find in a magazine? So I hope you enjoyed that. And again, please visit Lyndacreates, that's Lynda, Lyndacreates.com for more inspiration. The die is available from iCrafter, i-crafter.com, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.